How to get $80 Ulta Beauty promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Ulta Beauty promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Ulta Beauty. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open Coupon Follow. Once you open it, you're gonna find amazing deals and offer. $10 off, 10% off, $5 off, and many more. Hit towards any of the offer that you wanna grab, just click on it. So I have selected this one. Copy the code, then click on Redeem at Ulta. You'll be directed to the official website of Ulta Beauty. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, make sure to try out other offers as well, as in this page, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals. Likewise, make sure to check out these websites as well, because these websites will also provide you working promo code for Ulta Beauty. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.